Hello everybody, welcome to the last week of biology. I am going to go over the revisions week work document. If you need help, please email Ms. Chavarria or I and send us an email if you would like to sign up for office hours. This document will guide you to different areas of the document. You do not need to complete the entire document. You will only need to complete specific sections based on your answers per section. So the first thing you need to do is go to Infinite Campus and check if you're passing biology. If you are, you will click here on yes and go to this bookmark. It will take you to this second question. If you are passing all of your other classes, click yes. Go again to the bookmark, then answer this question. In biology, you have A, B, or C. Let's say I have a B. So I will click again on the bookmark and it will take me to Biology Bootcamp. Using Google Classroom, you will write down in this space your assignments and the percentage that you have gotten per assignment. Out of the assignments above, you are going to write down here your 3 lowest scores and start with your lowest scored assignment. If it's missing, you need to complete it and click Turn In. If it's not missing, but you scored low, you need to read through our feedback and resubmit the assignment. And then go back to step 2 and start working on your second lowest scored assignment, etc. If, for example, you are not passing biology, you will click No. Again, it will immediately take you to Biology Bootcamp. If you are passing biology, but you are also passing your classes, but you have an A in biology, you will have an option to choose different aspects of review reflections. Option 1, you can revise work for a different class, write a letter giving advice to students for semester 2, help somebody else with their work, take a quiz about study habits, write an email to a friend, write a letter to your future self, email your teachers, or write a reflection in the space here below. If, for example, you are passing biology, but you're not passing your other classes, you will need to work on another class. So you will write the class name, the grade, and the percentage. And you will decide, or you will let me know, what is the class you are closest to passing. A passing score is 69.5%. Then you will review assessments of that class. You need to complete missing assessments. You need to email your teacher asking what you should prioritize, do practice work, sign up for office hours, email Ms. Peterson and ask to go to peer tutoring, ask a parent or older sibling to help you figure out what assignments you should prioritize, make a weekly schedule for this week to chunk out what you need to complete. Or if you do not know what you need to do for another class, just keep working on biology. Or you can also contact me or Ms. Chavarria and we will see if we can help figure out what assignments you should complete for other classes. You will be using this document the entire week, so make sure that you become familiar with it, and if you have any questions, please let us know.